sign of hope this morning as those rescue crews are frantically searching for a missing submarine that disappeared near the wreck of the Titanic. A surveillance plane has detected underwater noises, but there's not a lot of time here left to reach the 5 people on board. Doug Luzader joins us live from Washington with a story that has really captivated the nation, the world, and what we know at this point. Hi, Doug.
Hey, good morning. There's nothing definitive here, but this is the first positive news so far in this search effort that still faces some very long odds.
A Canadian P-3 surveillance plane like this one, using advanced sonar technology, has heard what's described as a banging sound near the wreck of the Titanic. Could it be coming from 5 survivors on board Titan, the submersible that disappeared on Sunday? Just after midnight this morning, the U.S. Coast Guard tweeted, ROV, remote operated vehicle operations, were relocated in an attempt to explore the origin of the noises.
Hopefully we can have a nice little stroke of luck here. So they picked up a banging sound from one of the particular sonar buoys. They'll know when they heard that sound, and then they'll be able to triangulate and listen on some of the other recordings they may have made from the other sonar buoys or other vessels with sonar.
The search is being coordinated by the U.S. Coast Guard, but if Titan is still intact, it only has about 1 day of air left. OceanGate, the Washington State-based company that operates Titan, had once been involved in a lawsuit with its former director of marine operations over safety concerns, and a group of outside experts also raised issues back in 2018. A friend of one of the passengers, who was also an oceanographer, suggested this may have been just a matter of time.
But we knew this was going to happen at some point along the way, and knew darn well it would. And we knew all the difficulties there would be about how do you recover from that. If the sub is stuck on a shipwreck, if they lose batteries, if they're caught on the bottom some other way. And nothing was done about it.
Now, one congressman is now calling on the U.S. Navy to send a nuclear submarine in to assist in the search.